Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Travel Diary. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Travel Diary. So you're an avid traveler, unhelpful description, skip paragraph. The diary is represented as a table diary and you have the following columns in your table. And here's what you want to do and focus on is given the diary table, you want to create a semicolon-separated list. Semicolon-separated list? Sorry, hold for a second guys. Yeah, it is semicolon-separated. You want to create a semicolon-separated list of the distinct countries you visited, sorted lexicographically, it could be like alphabetically in this case, and put the list in the table that has a single country's column. Oh, here's an example. You have all these data right here, and you can see it. It have them all sorted lexicographically, and the column name is countries. And there are no repeats with the countries. It's distinct names. So let's break it down. So we understand how to do the basics. So we want to select the country from the diary table, and it'll be order is going to be by lexicographical order based on the country name. That's easy. But how do we put all these names together? Look, we could when we pull it out, it will look like this: country, Ireland, France, Australia, Japan, all that stuff. It'll look at separately, but to get them all together, how do we do that? Well, to do that, what we have to do is use the group concat SQL query. Now, what this does is that it will combine all this data into one row. And now, if you want to specify what separates it, you could use something called a separator. And this here will allow you to basically add what will be separating this whole list. In this case, it's going to be a semicolon. Now, since we're using this group concat function, it'll be asking what is it group concatting from. So I have to move this from query at the back right here. And also one more important thing that we have to think about, don't forget this one, we want to give that column a name. In this case it should be countries. So as you remember, if you want to give something a name, you want to use an alias keyword. So in this case I'll use as countries, like that. Now let's see if this works. Holy cow, Joshua is disappointed. What did I mess up here? What did I mess up, guys? Remember what I put in right here. We want to go create a semicolon-separated list of, that's right, distinct countries. So we need to put the distinct keyword. That means we don't want any repeats. Now if I hit run, it should be fine. There you go. Alright guys, I hope you like this content. I hope it makes sense. We're using this group concat SQL function. Basically, it combines all the queries into one row, and we want to specify what's separating those values is with a semicolon. Alright guys, take care and stay safe in this beautiful world we're living in.